Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back with the second regular puzzle. The second regular puzzle is a four-star Sudoku. In today's newspaper on Tuesday, September the 3rd, 2024. And I've already solved one puzzle, the three-star Sudoku, so two puzzles are left. JigSaw Sudoku and the four-star Sudoku. By the way, in this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles in the additional. 4 of them I will solve in the evening, not now. Now I will continue with these 3 regular puzzles, and I've already solved one. And news of today, well, I've told you in the on the front page, heroin is not the new drug. The new drug is Nitazene. Nitazene. 500 times powerful than morphine. Yeah, 500 times powerful. Anyway, it's a synthetic drug, a zombie drug. Yeah. This one will be number 9201. We have less than 800 puzzles to go. So maybe, maybe 100 days. A little bit more. I will hit 10K. And the question is, shall I continue? Well, 7 puzzles on a day is a lot. Alright. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has also 26 printed digits. Usually the 4 stars puzzle has 24. This one 26. Should be a 2 stars puzzle. For 2 stars puzzle, we need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Well, it's indicated by 4 stars. 4 stars puzzle, 30 minutes or more. That's my time limit. Question is this a 2 stars or 4 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. We have here 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and 1. We have 3 and 1 in the last row, so no 3 and 1 in these 2 boxes. 3 and 1 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 1, 3 and 1. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 1 goes there, so 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing, 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. Alright. Then, let me see. Yeah. 7. We have 1 box with no numbers. 6 in the first row, 6 in the second row. So in the third row, only 2 places left. 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. Need a 6 here also. Okay. 9, need a 9 there. Yeah, I'm thinking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers are 1. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 in these 2 boxes. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. Shoot there. Need a 3 here. Need a 8 there. Yep. Need an 8 here. Okay. Need a 6. Yeah, 6 in this row. 6 in the middle row. So row above. There are only 3 places left for the 6 to be here, or there. We have 6 in the first column, no 6 there. 6 in the third column, no 6 there. Only place left for the 6 should be there. Need a 3 here. Then, let me see, 8. 5. Come on. 3, okay. I need a 9 here. 9, okay. Need to think. 7, need a 7 here also. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So last row, only 2 places left. The 7 should be here or there. We have 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be there. 7. Need a 9 here. With the 6. Need a 6 there. Yeah. We have a pair. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 6 and the 9. We have 6 and a 9 in this column, so no 6 and a 9 in these 3 boxes. We have a 6 and a 9 in this row, so no 6 and a 9 in those 2 boxes. So 2 boxes left in this big square for the 6 and 9. The 6 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 9 goes there. 1 in this row, last row, 1 in that row. So the row between the only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this row. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, let me mark those 2 boxes. That means that the other 2 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, 7, 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have a 3 in the last row. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 8 goes there. Need an 8 there. Okay. 3 in this column. 3 in the last column. So the column 3. Now only place level 3 should be there. 8. Need a 5. Need a 2. 2 numbers left now in the last row. For the numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 2 and a 6. 2 and a 6. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 2 goes there. 2 in this column, 2 in that column, so the column 3. The only place level 2 should be there. Well, we have 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2, 5, 8. 2, 5, 8, 2, 5, 8, 2, 5, 8. And look, we have a 2 and a 5 in this row. No 2 and a 5 in this box. 2 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left should be the 8. 8, 8, okay. Then 3 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7. Should be there. 7. 7. Alright, 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. And we have a pair again, a 3 and a 4 in this row. The 3 and a 4 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 2 places left for the 3 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have 3 in the third column, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 4 goes there. 4, 4, okay. Then, let me see. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 8, 4, 5, 8. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4, 5, 8. 4, 5, 8, 4, 5, 8, 4, 5, 8. And look, we have 4 and a 5 in this column. So no 4 and a 5 in this box. 4 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 8. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next. Only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the first row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. So the 4 and the 5 are left. Okay, 8 should be here. Then, let me see. We have all the 6s here. We have all the 6s. All the 3s. How about the 4s? The 4s. No, 4 we need there. 2 numbers left in this column. For numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay, 4 and a 5, 4, 5, and the... Need a 7 here. 7. 4, 5, and a 7, okay. Need 8 here. Come on. This is taking too long. Need a 7 here. Need a 2, 5, need a 9 here also. 9. 2. No, 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 no. Yeah, I'm thinking. 4, 6, and 4 here. Come on. This is taking too long. Need 8 here. Need 8 there. Well. 2, 3, 8, 6. Let me put some numbers. This is taking too long. 9 in the last column, 9 in that column. So we have 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. The 1, 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 2 and the 9, 2 and the 9. We have a 2 in the second row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 9 goes there. 1 and a 9, we have a 9 in the second row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 1 goes there. So we have a 1 in this. This is a 1. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next on the last column. The only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the second row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1, 1. 2, 4, 5, 2, 4. 5 and a 4. 2, yeah. 5, 4, and the 7 is missing. 5, 4, and the 7, okay. 5, 4, and the 7. 4 and the 7 need a 9, need an 8 here. 2 in the third row, 2 in the second row. Oh, we have a pair. The 1 and the 2 in the third row, the 1 and the 2 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 2 in the first column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the third column, so the column 3 in the second column. The only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. Then 7, 5, 4. Yeah. 4 in this column, 4 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 4, it should be there. 7 needed 8 there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, first column, no 8 there. 8 should be here. And we have a 8 in the third column, 8 in the first column, so the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in the third row, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 5, 7, and then 9, 7. Need a 7 here. Need a 7 there. Yep. In the first column, we need a 7. Here can be 7 because we have 7 in this big square. No 7 is there. So the 7 could be here or there. Here or there in the first column. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be there. Then 2 numbers left. The 5 and the 9. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 5 goes there. 1 box left now in this big square for number 5. 5 in this third column, 5 in the first column, so the column between the only place left for 5 should be down. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 and 9, 2 and 9. We have a 2 in the second column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 9 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. The 8, 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We have a 9 in the second row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 box left in this row, I believe the 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 7 in this row, 7 in the second row, so in the first row, only 2 places left. The 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Then 2. Wait. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. 5 and a 2. We have a 2 now in the middle row. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 5 goes there. 2 and a 4. We have a 2 now in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 4 in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 5 goes there. Same numbers for this big square. The 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 5 in the first row. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And a 4 goes there. And a final 2 numbers. Same numbers. 4 and a 5. We have a 4 in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And a 5 goes there. 50 minutes. Well, took me a little bit more than the previous Sudoku. Let me give this a 2 stars. Yeah, 15 to 20 minutes. Told you earlier. Alright. Thank you for watching. And we'll see you in a minute with the third regular puzzle. JigSaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.